Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice picture description in English. Before we describe the picture, first we will do some jumbled sentences to understand the picture better. Arrange the words and make a correct sentence. And you have 10 seconds for each sentence. Let's start. The family is enjoying a picnic. The bright sun is shining. They are sitting on the picnic blanket. There are picnic baskets with food. Butterflies are flying in the air. Tall green trees are in the park. Let's describe the picture. This picture shows a happy family enjoying a picnic in a green park. The weather is bright and sunny. A smiling sun is shining in the blue sky. There are soft white clouds in the background. Tall green trees are standing on both sides. The grass looks fresh and clean. Small white flowers are growing on the ground. The family is sitting on a red and white picnic blanket. There are 4 people sitting together. They look relaxed and cheerful. A father is sitting on the left side. He is smiling and talking happily. A mother is sitting next to him. She is holding a cup in her hand. She looks calm and joyful. A young girl is sitting between the adults. She is smiling and enjoying the moment. Another woman is sitting on the right side. She is holding a cup. Everyone seems to be enjoying the picnic food. There is a plate of food placed in the center. The food looks tasty and fresh. 2 picnic baskets are placed nearby. The baskets are filled with fruits and snacks. A small dog is running in the front. The dog looks playful and energetic. The dog's tail is up, showing excitement. In the background, a boy is flying a kite. The boy looks very happy. He is jumping while holding the kite string. The kite is colorful and bright. Butterflies are flying in the air. They add beauty to the scene. The hills in the background look peaceful. The colors in the picture are soft and warm. The scene feels calm and friendly. The family seems to enjoy spending time together. No one looks worried or tired. The park looks clean and safe. The picnic blanket is spread neatly. Cups are placed carefully in their hands. The picture shows a perfect family moment. The boy flying the kite adds fun to the scene. The son has a cute smiling face. This makes the picture look playful. The trees give shade and comfort. The family is sitting close to each other. This shows love and togetherness. The dog adds life to the picture. The butterflies show nature's beauty. The picnic baskets show good planning. The food brings everyone together. The park looks like a great place to relax. The sky looks clear and peaceful. The family looks happy and healthy. The picture gives a positive feeling. It shows the joy of simple moments. It reminds us to enjoy nature. It also shows the importance of family time. Overall, the picture is bright, joyful and relaxing. Thanks for watching. For more picture description, like, share, subscribe to the channel.